Back for another clip at the dev meet. Oh, it's holding the camera. There we go. And I've changed avatar, and I've now gone for the OG 2B avatar. Nier Automata. Lanzer has arrived. Still got Mavdoc, Adium, Arashasora. Sailor Moon is now here. Lilacia. Panda Bell Chan. Bit 390. NBC Haven, News Pop Taro Bong, Linda Runa S, Belfegor, Oh Sweet Lucy. There was someone else there. There's Lanzer, and who's come back but is now bolted, changing avatar. It was actually Froze Me, and have not seen Froze Me for a long time. And Froze was the one that was normally a cow in the stall selling its own milk. And I think we may be going, there we go, Froze has returned. Yes! Milk! Froze has returned as the cow selling milk salesman. Oh yes, oh this takes me back. Froze milk stand has returned. Woo! Give me milk. Who's this? Oh Sunny Bio, never heard of that one before. But Froze Me has returned to GaiaOnline. It's been a long time. And oh, Misery just ran past. There's Misery I. So we've got quite a few people floating through. And I just received a DM from Lanzer. That's the first in Gaia history. The golden egg is real. We now have a golden egg. Spawned somewhere in Zen Gardens. Egg. Here we go again. Egg. That's the wrong kind of egg. Oh. Near figure from Lands. And apparently this was 3D printed by Lanzer, the big man of GaiaOnline. And here we go. This was 3D printed by Lanzer. 2B or not 2B. Look at that. Fantastic. "3D printed Nier Automata statue or figure. Amazing. Unfortunately I can't make the... I'm not sure if I can change the size. No, I can't change the size. I might be able to do something with the image, I don't know, but I'm just confusing it now. But wow, if I can get rid of this. Look at that, fantastic. Great job, Lanz. Great job. And that, of course, is the GaiaOnline version in Avatar. And Lanzer picked it out immediately. Great to see the froze milk stand cow again. Brilliant. It's been a long time. Well, what a bonus that was. But I think we're going to end it here. So that's 2 clips. Give us a thumb up if you like. That was exclusive photo of a Nier Automata figurine that was 3D printed by GaiaOnline's big man himself. Them fluffs.